box, and today we're doing the Twin Telepathy Challenge Slime Edition. So I'm super excited because I love the Twin Telepathy Challenge and I love making slime, so it's the perfect video ever. So
hey, you copied me.
Oh, you like that too?
Yeah.
Alright, so and this time we get a chance to use 2 different types of glues. So yeah, we can use 2 glues or just 1 glue if we want. So I'm going to show you what we have. We have some balls here. We have some shredded glitter type of thing. We have some shredded Miller or something. I don't even know what this is. We have these pom-pom balls. We have Orbeez. We have Stay-Glo, shaving cream, contact lens solution, white glue, clear glue, blue glitter glue, red glitter glue, and purple glitter glue.
Okay,
we have like some like confetti here, pink glitter, silver glitter, and like blue glitter, and then we have some coloring here. And did I say Orbeez? I think I did. So yeah, we have Orbeez.
Let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna use 7 ingredients. So yeah, let's get started. But before we do, if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, if you want to follow us on all our social media, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Musical.ly, here are the names. So yeah, let's get started. First, alright, let's just move this up to the side. I know I gotta Alright guys, so we put everything to the side and now we're gonna test if we have telepathic minds. So post your comments down below how many things out of 7 we're gonna get the same. So yeah, let's get started. Object 1. And don't raise this stuff too high because you can see like over. So don't put the stuff too high. Okay, interesting. Alright, 1 more bottle.
Wait, we can look in the trash can and see what we have. So
No! Okay, no looking at the trash can. No looking at the trash can. Just try to aim at the trash can. Okay. Alrighty, let's go to the next thingy. Majingy. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that's just awesome. Okay, that is very overwhelming. Alright, object 3 for me, I guess.
yeah, object 3 for me too.
Now I'm on to object 4.
What?
Yes, 4. Alright, now I'm on to object 5. And I'm not going to say it anymore, so yeah. Object. Alright, let's not say what object we're on. So, alright.
Francesca, wait, I'm only on number 4.
Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna mix right now. I'll wait for you. Wow. Okay.
What should I do?
Okay, I just did number 6. Alright, I just did number 6. So, yeah.
Now I'm doing my number 6. You'll probably know what this is.
I think I do. But it's okay. Oh. Alright. I'm on my last object. Object 7.
Oh, what should I do for object 7?
This is going by pretty fast, honestly. But I love making signs, so.
Let's mix it up. It's mixing it up.
I add a little bit at a time. That's a good thing. Oh shoot. This is a mess. Alright. Well, I guess are you putting in the activator, Leah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I guess we'll see when we're done. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're done mixing and it's time for the big reveal. Alright, hold on. Okay, alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my.
Oh my god, yours looks like a maniac.
Like what now?
Yours looks so.
Oh, yours is really pokey.
I know.
Oh. Why is it so pokey?
Because I added these evilers.
Oh my. I was
Not
about
that.
to add those.
Now,
Alright, so, well, our signs are completely different. Alright guys, so it's time to see how many things we added the same. Well, basically what we added in our sign. So, for the first round, I added clear glue. Okay, alright, so that's one. Alright, so for now we have telepathic minds for the first round. Alright, take that away. For the second round, I added silver glitter. Me too! That's 2 in a row, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Alright, take that away. Third round. Oh, I added, I think, pink glitter.
I added this.
Oh. Well, that's not great.
Take it away.
Alright, for the fourth round, I added blue glitter.
I think the sequence.
I don't know, honestly.
Pink sequence.
Well, we didn't get that the same. Next round, I added this jumbo glitter.
I added the little
Sequence?
pokey things.
Or no, the pokey
The
things.
pokey thing. Oh my god!
Ooh. Alright, so, alright, for the next round, well, I think the last round, I
added shaving cream.
You never, I don't think you.
I did add shaving.
Yeah. Oh, for the next round, I added this color.
Shaving cream.
Alright, that's not the same. And then I added contact lens lotion.
Me too! Yes!
Wow, our lamp just fell off our table. Alright, so yeah. Basically we got 3 things the same. Yeah. Yay! So that's pretty good, honestly. Because I would never honestly use Stay Glow. I don't really like Stay Glow sometimes. But I'm so excited. I actually really like how our signs turn out.
Let's stretch this.
Really?
Okay, now sit down and do this.
Okay.
And then whoever goes down faster wins. Oh no. Oh shoot.
I win! Alright guys, so that is all for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and tell us whose sign do you like better? Obviously mine.
No.
And if you did like this video, please smash that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching.